how to turn mic on or off on Google Nest Mini. Now, if you have your Nest Mini and then you've been wondering how you can enable or disable the mic so that you can interact with it, what are the things that you could possibly do with it? Now, it's rather quite simple. Just go towards the back, which means you can flip your Nest Mini. And on this back side, you can only find one toggle.
You're about to completely reset this device.
That toggle
Please to cancel.
And that toggle is actually the mic toggle right here. So currently my mic is turned off. If I want to enable it,
the mic's back on.
You can see it says the mic's back on.
The mic's off.
So you can see that's how we turn it off as well. Now I'm not sure if it might be audible to you, but it will also say that the mic is on and the mic is off when you flip this switch like this.
The mic's off.
And this is just a simple way on how we can turn on or turn off the mic on Google Nest Mini. And I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.